Welcome back to Edutube. Imagine trying to have a conversation with someone who speaks a completely different language with no translator in sight. Frustrating, right? Now, imagine that's how different blockchain networks talk to each other. Today, in Lecture 26 of our Advanced Blockchain Topics, we're going to break down the concept of interoperability between blockchains, explaining what it means, why it's important, and how it's shaping the future of decentralized technology. Interoperability is all about making sure that different blockchains can speak the same language and work together seamlessly. Just like how you use a universal adapter when traveling to different countries, interoperability acts as the connector that lets various blockchain networks share information and work in harmony. In this video, we'll use simple language and everyday analogies to help you understand this crucial concept. By the end of this lesson, you'll see why interoperability is not just a technical buzzword, but a key factor in building a more connected and efficient blockchain ecosystem. What is interoperability? At its core, interoperability refers to the ability of different systems, in our case, different blockchains, to exchange and use information without any barriers. Imagine you have several smartphones, each running a different operating system. Without a common platform or a translator app, sharing data between them would be a nightmare. Interoperability solves this problem by creating standards and protocols that allow these systems to work together. In blockchain terms, interoperability means that one blockchain network can communicate with another. For example, if you own tokens on one blockchain and want to use them on another, interoperability makes that possible. Think of it like having a universal remote that works with all your devices. No matter the brand or model, everything functions together. Daily life example: consider your bank accounts. Even though you might have accounts at different banks, you can still transfer money between them because there are established systems that allow for such transactions. Interoperability between blockchains works similarly. It enables the seamless transfer of data and assets across different blockchain networks, just as banks use systems like SWIFT to communicate internationally. Why does interoperability matter? Interoperability is essential for several reasons. Imagine if every time you wanted to use an app on your phone, you had to switch devices because the app only worked on one type of phone. Frustrating, isn't it? Interoperability ensures that users can move assets and data between different blockchains without hassle, making the overall experience smoother and more user-friendly. When blockchains can communicate, they can share information and resources, leading to more efficient transactions. This is similar to how different departments in a company work together to streamline operations, instead of operating in isolation. For blockchain to truly revolutionize industries, from finance to healthcare, it must overcome the isolation of individual networks. Interoperability bridges these gaps, allowing for broader applications and greater innovation. Just as the internet became powerful when all networks connected, blockchain's potential multiplies when different chains work together. This opens up new business models, decentralized applications, dApps, and financial products that span multiple networks. Daily life example: think of interoperability like the universal plug adapter you use when traveling abroad. Without it, you wouldn't be able to charge your phone in a foreign country because the socket shapes differ. With a universal adapter, you can connect and use your device no matter where you are. Similarly, interoperability acts as that adapter for blockchains, enabling them to connect and exchange data seamlessly. How does interoperability work? Now that we know what interoperability is and why it's important, let's explore how it actually works. There are several key approaches and technologies that facilitate interoperability between blockchains. Bridges. Blockchain bridges are protocols that allow assets to move from one blockchain to another. Think of a bridge over a river that connects two separate lands. In this case, the bridge ensures that tokens or data can cross over safely and securely. Example: if you have Bitcoin on one chain and want to use it on an Ethereum-based decentralized application, dApp, a bridge can transfer your Bitcoin's value into a compatible token on Ethereum. Sidechains. A sidechain is like a parallel universe to the main blockchain. It operates independently but is connected to the main chain, allowing for the transfer of assets and data back and forth. Imagine a side road that runs alongside a busy highway. Vehicles can take this alternative route and then merge back onto the highway when needed. Example: projects like Polygon act as side chains to Ethereum, enabling faster and cheaper transactions while still leveraging Ethereum's security. Interoperability protocols. These protocols establish standards and rules that allow different blockchains to communicate. Think of them as the common language or set of rules that ensure everyone can understand each other. Example: Polkadot and Cosmos are two major projects that focus specifically on interoperability. They create ecosystems where multiple blockchains can interact, share data, and transfer assets seamlessly. Atomic swaps. Atomic swaps allow for the direct exchange of cryptocurrencies between two different blockchains without the need for an intermediary. Imagine two people exchanging items directly at a flea market without a middleman taking a cut. Atomic swaps ensure that both parties receive what they agreed on in a single, secure transaction. Each of these methods has its own advantages and challenges, but together they form a toolkit that developers can use to build a more connected blockchain ecosystem. Challenges to achieving interoperability. While interoperability is promising, achieving it is not without challenges. Some of the common issues include different protocols and standards. Each blockchain is built on its own set of rules, much like different countries having different languages and customs. Creating a universal translator that works for all blockchains is a significant challenge. Security risks. When you connect multiple networks, the security of one blockchain can potentially affect others. Just as a weak link in a chain can compromise the entire chain, vulnerabilities in one blockchain might be exploited when interlinked with others. Complexity of integration. Developing bridges, sidechains, and interoperability protocols requires deep technical expertise and constant updates to keep pace with rapidly evolving blockchain technologies. It's similar to constantly updating your smartphone's operating system to ensure compatibility with new apps and features. Scalability and performance. Interoperability solutions must handle a large volume of transactions across multiple chains without compromising speed or efficiency. This remains a technical hurdle for many projects. Despite these challenges, the industry is rapidly innovating. Developers and researchers are working on new solutions and standards to overcome these obstacles, making blockchain interoperability more robust and secure over time. Future outlook and real life. Impact looking ahead. Interoperability between blockchains has the potential to unlock a host of new applications and benefits. Seamless decentralized finance, DeFi. Imagine a world where you can effortlessly move assets between different DeFi platforms, taking advantage of the best interest rates and lowest fees available. Interoperability will make this vision a reality, driving economic growth and innovation. Cross-platform dApps. Developers will be able to build decentralized applications that operate across multiple blockchains, reaching a broader audience and providing more comprehensive services. This could transform everything from gaming and social media to healthcare and supply chain management. Enhanced global connectivity. Just as the internet connects people worldwide, interoperable blockchains will connect various digital ecosystems. This could lead to a more open and inclusive digital economy, where data and assets flow freely across borders without the constraints of centralized intermediaries. Innovation in digital identity. Interoperability will also play a role in developing decentralized digital identity systems, allowing individuals to manage their identity securely across various platforms without relying on a single provider. Imagine carrying a digital passport that works globally, protecting your personal information while giving you control over who can access it. The future of blockchain interoperability is bright. As these technologies mature and overcome current challenges, we can expect a more connected and efficient blockchain ecosystem that will benefit businesses and individuals alike. Interoperability is a cornerstone for the future of blockchain technology. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What do you think is the most exciting application of blockchain interoperability? Do you believe it will revolutionize industries beyond finance? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to exploring more fascinating topics with you in our next video.